This question is taken from January 2023, paper 2, question 3. So this is the second part of the first transformation video we would have looked at, and we are trying to find the third key, which is a point of origin. How should we go about that? To do so, we need to essentially connect the dots, right? And wherever the dots aligns together, that would be our point of origin. So without further ado, let's begin. So we need to connect the dots. Okay, now let's do the top points. I'm just going to highlight them. So this one and that one. Now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking your ruler and drawing these points all the way that you could possibly can, right? So far we draw two out of like the 4 points, and we could clearly see that this point of alignment, right? So this next one here correspond to this one over here, right? So it's like this, and as you can see, if you stretch it out, it's gonna go all the way here, right? So let's just draw our line, and we just use a different color, purple instead. All right, so here we have drawn 3 out of the 4 points, and we can clearly see where all the lines has taken root. So I'm just gonna highlight that in red. That will be in this corner here, around this point. So now we need to look at coordinates. So that would be x, then y, and vertically is x, then y, right? When you're providing these coordinates to them, you need to provide it vertically. So we're looking at the x-axis. The x-axis, what does it says? -10, touch, come across. So this is +7. So that's it right there. Our values would be -10 and +7. So this would be your point of origin. Your point of origin will be -10, 7. It's Mr. John. If this video was helpful to you and you want more, like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. I'm out.